after undergoing a training with the group of Coach Jim Bosaret, no, kasi I wanted to lose weight, no, so my mind got open to nutrition kasi the gym is not working. So that time I was already going to the gym, but it's not working. So there must be something wrong. So I tried to look for an answer. So I attended a month training with the group of Jim Bosaret. So na-open yung mind ko. Then I looked for the flyer. So tinawagan ko siya. Then ganun, napaupo rin ako sa isang meeting, HOM. So right there and then, I signed up. I purchased the product. Then in a month's time, I lost 3 inches kagad and 15 pounds in 1 month, no? So yeah, tinuloy-tuloy ko lang. So it worked, no? Sabi ko. And then Ilocano po ako, mahilig ako sa makatipid. Gusto ko ng discount palagi. So I went for the supervisor 50%, no? Which I will be discussing later. Bakit ako gano'n? So, and then also, I was also diagnosed of high uric acid and borderline diabetic. So again, no, I used the product, no, seriously, consistently, and continuously, no. So after a year, no, na-correct din siya yung. So ang total loss ko ngayon, I lost total loss ko 7 inches at 40 pounds.
Wow.
I reached ideal weight, no.
Nawala lang ako.
I'm just maintaining. yung
Buhok lang.
Yeah, I don't mind losing the hair as long as I don't lose my head. Mas mahirap yung mas mahirap yung mawala yung
Witty.
May sense of humor si Manang.
okay lang mo yan. Ayun yung maliwanag.
Tama.
Hindi ako kasi baka may naghanap sila ngayon, Willie Bayola, hindi po ako yun.
Michael Jordan.
Si Wally pala, sorry. Wally Bayola, hindi po ako yun. Hindi ako yung doon. Anyway, I just wanted to share this kasi in 2011, that's what the time actually, ang story ko, I started in Herbalife in 2006 as nag-supervisor ko. I'm a 3-time supervisor, meaning in and out, no? Because I was doing it part-time. I was working, no, in different, when I was taking my MBA in 2006, no, sa UP, and then I was also working, so I couldn't focus on the Herbalife. I just wanted the 50% and I just wanted using it, no. So ganon. But when the time came, after graduating from MBA, I worked with Asian Development. I worked with the bank and then Asian Development Bank, and then I worked for isang global cost management consultancy firm for about 2 years before I requalified to be a supervisor. So I got qualified meeting this guy. This is Chairman's Club member Stefan Graciani. What is so significant about kasi he was so he thought very parang close to my heart, no, about the things he talked about. I was that time I was really looking for significance. No, I was looking for something to add value to my life. And then he was really telling me, go for the breakthrough. Look for a breakthrough in your life. Kasi yung nga hinahanap ko, I was looking for a breakthrough. Kasi ang feeling ko, I'm not for the corporate world. Ayoko yung just making the other people making money. No? I'm not making money out of it. No? Kahit na kasi for example, Asian Development Bank, no? It's equal opportunity daw. Pero I worked there for 6 months. Pero hindi siya equal opportunity. You must have a good education, experience, no? At the same time, may backer ka. So, Danny knows that. Anyway, so, gano'n, no? This is not, no? So, when I saw Herbalife, no? Dito, talagang equal opportunity kasi even kahit sila, Tita Merly, no? Bandera, earning 200 pesos before, now turning 200,000 na, may 10-year US multiple visa pa siya. So tapos may nabit akong na tindera from from Tondo, no, ng fruit, no, and she had she had a heart, kidney, and liver problem, and natulungan siya, and then it became a business work. So, ganun, no? So, then I qualified as world team in 2012, no? So a year after, no, immediately after the training with Gachani, I immediately bought a Tanita, yung sa Ace Hardware. Sabi ko, I wanted to be a coach. So when I wanted to be a coach, and this is what I want. I don't want to be a consultant. I want to be a coach. Iba yung when you consultant, you want to earn for the money. When you become a coach, you help people. So, I wanted to be a coach. What are the requirements? Be an ideal weight. Now, wala pa yung nutrition club noon masyado. Ay ako sa weight loss challenge. Nainganyo ko sa weight loss challenge. So, ganun. Before to becoming a coach, I have to be an ideal weight. No? So, I worked on that immediately. Again. So, nag-qualify na ako. Nag-qualify. And then, that's it. No? Ito, grabe talaga. No? These are just world supervisors lang. No, world team supervisors, walang distributors. Sa extravaganza and distributors. But this is a higher Pero imagine yan, Asia Pacific lang yan. We were about 16,000. So how can you go wrong? How can I go wrong with these people, backing me up? Wherever I go, there will be people who are using the Herbalife. So ganyan talagang I became more passionate, so ganun po yung storya ng sa Herbalife. So what I'm talking about is about marketing plan. Paano bang kitaan dito? Siguro interesado ako paano bang alam nang paano kumita dito? Wala pa? Gusto niyo malaman siguro paano kumita. I-adapt ko sa Nutrition Club na rin, Kasi ito na rin ang ang mode of ginagamit ko lahat, discuss the products, the methods, gamitin niyo lahat 'yun, magagamit 'yun. Piliin niyo lang yung gusto niyo. You can choose, Pero mas maganda alam niyo lahat. Hindi niyo pwedeng i-master lahat, pero alamin niyo yung lahat para alam niyo may ituturo niyo. Okay? So, I love doing road shows, And then in-apply ko yung roadshow kasi sa Nutrition Club lahat yung magagawa mo Yung roadshow, yung flyering, yung sampling and everything, the wellness evaluation. So, there are only 3 things you need to know, sa marketing plan, How we get paid, Paano bang bayaran dito? What are the areas of income? And then, bakit kailangan mag-supervisor? Okay. Hindi po ha?
Hindi ko pa po alam. 7. It's better.
Ay. Dali ba?
Kung 1,000 wala.
Okay, Jim Rohn said, ito na lang.